Hi, I'm Ron Thomas, Global HR Strategist and Managing Director of Strategy Focus Group. Across every region I work, from Dubai to Singapore to Zurich to New York, I'm seeing the same shift everywhere. AI has become the most disruptive skill set we have ever faced in human resources. But this moment isn't just about adopting new tools. It's about redefining how we lead as HR professionals through the lens of talent acquisition, strategic workforce planning, change management, and yes, aligning it all with the business strategy or organizational strategy. That is why I created Strategic HR in the age of HI. It is not a tech course. It is a leadership course built for CHROs, HRBPs, talent acquisition leaders, learning and development, organizational development specialists who are ready to architect the future of work and not just survive it. You'll learn how to apply tools like ChatGPT, Claude, Gemini, but more importantly, how to ask better questions to get better results, design smarter prompts, and build a people strategy that drives real business impact. This course gives you, number one, a blueprint for aligning HR strategy with enterprise strategy. Number two, role-specific frameworks for each HR function. Number three, real-time applications of HR tools to workforce decisions, and a prompt-powered model for leading organizational transformation. This isn't about AI replacing HR. It is about HR leaders rising to meet the future of work with fluency, clarity, and impact. If you're ready to move from operational to orchestrator, from reactive to strategic, join me. Spots are limited, and the shift is already underway. Thank you, and I'll see you there.